हेलो किड्स, आज हम सुपर चाइल्ड में सीखेंगे अबाउट मॉडल वर्ब्स। You might be thinking, what are modal verbs? So, modal verbs means helping verbs that are used with main verbs. It expresses different type of meaning to the subject. For example, you can speak English. You should speak English. You must speak English. List of modal verbs: might, may, must, have to, should, could, would, will, may, can, ought to. Can. For example, I can write English well. This sentence shows the ability. Next example. Yes, you can play. This isn't permission. Could. For example, could you help me to do this sum? This is a request. Next example. He could be her father. This is a possibility. Shall. For example, I shall run. This is a simple future tense used with I and we. Next example. How shall we resolve this puzzle? This is asking for a suggestion. Should. For example, the pupil should work regularly. This is an obligation, duty. Next example, you should not speak lie. This is used for giving advice. Will. For example, I will call you soon. This is used for simple future tense used with all pronoun. Next example. Will you give me a notebook, please? This is used for making a request. Would. For example, I would love to know about your family. This is a polite expression. Next example. Would you give me your notebook? This is a polite request. May. For example, may I come in, sir? This is used for asking a permission. Next example. It may rain tomorrow. It's a possibility. Might. For example, you might try this cake. This is used for giving a suggestion. Next example. It might happen again. It is a possibility. Must. For example, You must follow traffic rules. It is a necessity. Next example. The red light is on. You must stop. It is an order or an advice. Have to. For example, today is not a holiday. You have to go school. It is an expressing an external obligation. Next example, I have to complete my homework before tonight. वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल सुपर चाइल्ड को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।